Howdy, Wall Street Willie. What is long-term care? Long-term care refers to services that help people meet their health or personal care needs when they can no longer perform everyday activities on their own, including bathing, dressing, and eating. This could be for people who are recovering from major accidents or those suffering from prolonged illness, cognitive disorders, or disabilities. Unlike regular medical care, long-term care is usually done for an extended period of time, sometimes for the rest of someone's life, and can be quite expensive. What are the types of long-term care? There are several types of long-term care that cater to people with different needs. Home care is where services are provided in your own home. This includes help with household chores like cleaning, laundry, and bill payment, as well as daily activities like bathing, eating, taking medicines, and physical therapy, which are called activities of daily living or ADL. While home care is often provided by family members or friends, it can also be provided by paid caregivers. It is best suited for people who have a significant level of independence but require assistance with specific tasks. Community facilities, like an adult daycare or senior center, provide social interaction and support services to seniors, sometimes for free. Here, participants can socialize through various planned activities and receive support for needs similar to home care. This is best for people who require supervision during the day and want more socialization. Assisted living facilities are communities with private or shared apartments designed for seniors who are still somewhat independent but require more support for preparing meals, housekeeping, social activities, personal care, and various other needs. Nursing homes are the most intensive and expensive option. They offer 24-hour supervision and are meant for people who need the most assistance due to health conditions or disabilities. How do I plan for long-term care? That's a great question, Super Cooper. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.